The Judiciary, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, and the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions are some of the key institutions that contribute to the governance and smooth functioning of this country. But ills have troubled these four establishments. While in most cases specific members are affected, the impact is hugely felt by the whole institution, and slowly their luster is fading. Experts attribute this to ethnicity, corruption, and political patronage.
When an individual is appointed into public office, that individual, whether he or she likes it or not, will be owned by some ethnic constituency. And when they engage in any activity that undermines or offends democratic practices, if you want to deal with them, suddenly the elite from their ethnic community will come up and say, our group or our tribe is being finished.
The political tension building up over the reconstitution of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission is nothing new. CORD leader Raila Odinga cited Jubilee's control of the National Assembly and the failure by the Anti-Corruption Agency to charge electoral commissioners over the Chicken Gate scandal, to justify opposition protests, to kick out commissioners of the IEBC. In the IEBC case, there are questions whether election problems stem from the supervisory body itself as an institution or only from those who manage that body as individuals. Have the lines between the institution and the persons serving in it become blurred? Are all officers implicated in the Chicken Gate scandal?
We weaken institutions. If we were to judge institutions on the basis of their performance, in accordance with the enabling law. For example, if we take the institution of the IEBC, if we are to determine whether they are worthy to remain in office or not, the question that we ought to ask, are the members in that institution conducting themselves in a manner that is in keeping with the prescriptions of the Constitution? Are they conducting themselves in a manner that is in keeping with the law under which they were appointed? And we tick the boxes and answer the question in the affirmative, then we would be strengthening the institution.
The judiciary is at the top of all matters legal in the country. But current events unfolding at the Supreme Court chip away at the confidence Kenyans have in this crucial body. The 200 million shillings bribe allegations against Justice Tunoi and the prolonged case the judge and the Deputy Chief Justice Kalpana Rawal have on age limit only serve to further raise issue with the judiciary, despite the fact that not all judges are tainted. That they sit alongside those who have questions to answer raises clouds of suspicions.
I cannot understand why the Deputy Chief Justice or those judges who have attained the age of 70 cannot, upon the attainment of that age, simply leave office. I cannot understand the attraction of office that make them believe that you remain in office by dint of court orders. And this is something that is very third worldish.
The new constitution gives our institutions strength, but political patronage, ethnicity, and corruption make these institutions slowly lack luster and credibility and portray us as a democracy that has not matured. Experts say this will only stop once Kenyans learn to pay homage to all the provisions of the constitution. Mercy Juma Okande, NTV, Nairobi County.